Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing something new. I'm going to be making a Singapore Changi model airport in my YouTube channel. And you can probably already see in front of me. I've had this model airport for a while now, and not so long ago I started including my other model airport videos as like the old international terminal, and I thought, oh, why don't I just like make it like a new series of like model airport videos, but with like a real life airport. Of course I'm still going to be keeping my other fictional model airport video with all 3D printing in that, but this is going to be something brand new. But I won't include this in my fictional model airport videos anymore, but I'm going to use this in my Singapore Changi model airport videos instead. So yeah, I hope you guys will like it. And oh, sorry, the camera isn't focusing well. And yeah, so the first model or aircraft here, we have a Singapore Airlines Boeing 777-300ER in the Star Alliance livery, and yeah, we'll head out to Sydney very soon. And next to that we have a Garuda Indonesia Airbus A330-300, and yeah, we'll head out to Jakarta in about 50 minutes. And yeah, here we have a Singapore Airlines Boeing 787-10, and yeah, just flew in from Perth about 40 minutes ago, and yeah, just seeing that at the gate. And next to that, you probably won't be able to see it. Well, let me just move the camera. Yeah, here we have a British Airways Comair operated by Silkair Boeing 737-800, and yeah, we'll head out to Kota Kinabalu in about 15 minutes. Here we have a China Airlines Airbus A350-900 in the Taiwan Blue Magpie livery, and yeah, we'll head out to Taipei very soon. And yeah, and here we have a Jetstar Asia Airbus A320, and yeah, flew in from Manila not so long ago, and yeah, just unloading passengers and cargo. Here we have some aircraft waiting for takeoff, and yeah, Qantas Airbus A330-300 in the Silveroo livery, and yeah, heading out to Melbourne. And here we have a China Eastern Airbus A320, and yeah, we'll head out to Shanghai Pudong. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you think these videos need some improvement, feel free to comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.